Prophetess Ruth Makantiwa, you are a woman of wonders. You are both beautiful inside and outside. Your heart is as charming as your ever-glowing face. Your smile brings enlightenment into our souls. You show us love equivalent to that of a mother, and as a mother, you have sacrificed so much for us. You bring us back to the Lord even after we've been engulfed by the darkness, and you become the spark of light in our lives. Your heart gives more than it can receive, and you find more than just joy when you give. You virtue God more than anything, which makes you even more magnificent. You are a representative of God's love, meant to keep us safe while we await His return. You are a symbol of peace, a teacher, an advisor, a virtuous woman, a woman who empowers the weak. Thank you, Mama, for always being there for us, and a happy birthday.